Hey guys, today I am using the CJ125 from SpeedClean in a little bit different way than you may think. Now, yes, I use it for cleaning air conditioning coils when I am a long ways away from a water source or I need a high pressure washer to clean condenser coils in an area where I wouldn't be able to get a standard one up on the rooftop. But I'm actually using my CJ125 today for cleaning bugs off the front of my Dodge truck. And so I've got a Dodge truck that I use to drive back and forth between California. And you can see, even though I run it through the washer, it gets a lot of bugs on the front. And I just can't get it out. Even when I run it through like a washer, you know, a car wash, and it runs through there, I still can't get the bugs out. And this is where I use the CJ125. So you can see right here, it's putting out about 125 PSI. And look at it, it's just eating away. It's just eating away on those bugs. And that's exactly what, you know, the CJ125 is perfect for. I mean, it's portable. I'm not plugged into a power source. I don't have to worry about water shorting out and getting into the electrical outlet. But here I am, I'm cleaning the front of my truck, and I am power washing the bug that's right off the truck, and it's doing it safely without ruining the paint, using water, and it's getting it done. So, you know, I mean, there's a lot of ways to use a CJ125. It doesn't just have to be for doing air conditioning work or for using it to clean coils, but you can use it for anything that you need a pressure washer for. And honestly, I have not charged this battery in about 4 months, and it's still holding the charge, and it's ready to go. Here, we're gonna do some more cleaning right here. I'm gonna have to go back to that guy. That guy is on there. Ooh. And it's getting it done. Get up here, look at that. Took it right out. Took it right out. It's getting it done. CJ125. CJ125 from SpeedClean for the win. So I'll put some information about how to get a hold of SpeedClean and see all the products, especially the CJ125. And I think you'll like it. I know I like it. And that is it's getting it done on the front of my truck. And that's a CJ125 from the guys and gals at SpeedClean. Love the product. Love what they're about. And definitely the bugs aren't liking it, but my Dodge truck is. So work safe, be good humans. We'll see you next time.